The eagerly awaited Royal Enfield Himalayan 750 has been spotted undergoing testing in Europe. With its rugged ADV design and impressive updates, the Himalayan 750 promises to be a standout addition to Royal Enfield's lineup. The bike gets a tall, purposeful stance typical of adventure motorcycles, with some striking design influences. Its profile bears a strong resemblance to the Husqvarna Norden 901, blending off-road capability with touring comfort. The bike features the same round LED headlamp seen on other Royal Enfield models, complemented by a compact windscreen and quarter fairings on the sides, a first for any Royal Enfield ADV model. The test mule also reveals a clean side profile with most design elements hidden under black camouflage. However, it's clear that the new Himalayan will maintain key design traits from the current Himalayan 450, including a split-seat setup and a 2-in-1, upswept exhaust. At the rear, the motorcycle adopts a unique design where the LED indicators double as the taillight, a feature similar to the Himalayan 450. The overall ergonomics appear to be upright, offering a comfortable riding posture suited for long-distance touring. The Himalayan 750 is likely powered by a 750cc parallel twin engine. Although specific power figures haven't been confirmed, we can expect the 750cc engine to offer a significant performance boost over the current 650cc motor's 47 horsepower and 52 Nm of torque. The bike is expected to feature a 6-speed gearbox paired with a slip-and-assist clutch, providing smoother gear transitions and enhanced riding experience. The test mule also showcases a robust aluminum bash plate, offering additional protection to the engine during off-road excursions. One of the more interesting features of the Himalayan 750 is its wheel setup. The bike is seen with a 19-inch tubed spoke wheel at the front and a 17-inch spoke wheel at the rear, which suggests a road-biased approach to touring rather than an all-out off-road focus. The suspension setup consists of adjustable USD forks at the front, paired with a monoshock at the rear. The suspension travel is expected to be around 200 mm or slightly less, offering a good balance between off-road capability and on-road comfort. The Himalayan 750 will likely come equipped with twin-disc brakes at the front and a single disc at the rear, ensuring ample stopping power. Royal Enfield is expected to load the Himalayan 750 with modern features, including full LED lighting across the bike. The test mule has also been spotted with a rectangular digital instrument cluster, which includes a large gear position indicator. It's likely that the Himalayan 750 will come with electronic rider aids such as switchable ABS and traction control. While it's still speculative, the possibility of riding modes being included in the Himalayan 750 is not out of the question. Royal Enfield is aiming to launch the Himalayan 750 sometime in 2026. Given the significant updates in design, performance, and technology, this flagship adventure touring motorcycle will likely set a new benchmark for the brand.